Everyone gets old, and Mahabali, the hero of Onam, is no exception. He cannot be doing all the jobs of coordination, flight bookings, and his stay every Onam, as he has been doing this for the past thousands of years. So, he has appointed Minimi, his assistant, to do the chores while he relaxes, waiting for the annual trip during Onam to Mid City in Chennai, his favorite destination on earth. Mahabali impatiently waits for Minimi's call, starting to doubt whether she's slacking off on the job.
Om Cream, Om Cream. Connect to Mahabali, connect to Mahabali.
Om Cream, Om Cream. Divya Drishti, Divya Drishti. Connect to Minimi, connect to Minimi.
Hello Mahabali, I can see you. Can you see me?
Yes, yes, I can. Oh, can you see me without my mush and long hair and a small beard? This barber of mine has ditched me.
This Divya Drishti works great, Mahabali. You know, last night I saw you with...
Minimi, you're crossing your boundaries. I've granted Divya Drishti for communicating with me from Bhulokam. Don't misuse it.
Sorry, Mahabali.
What's happening in Bhulokam? I've been waiting for your call.
Mahabali, it's not like what we thought. The situation is very, very bad here.
What? What happened? Santa refused to be the president of Mid-City again? They have no presidential candidates? Or nobody to invite me?
No, Mahabali. This is far more serious than that.
I know. Srini and Sandeep must have finally throttled each other to death over Modi and politics. Oh my God, I knew something like this will happen. I told PTG to do something to control these people. Now where will I go?
No, Mahabali, not that. Though everyone feels this will have to happen one day, but COVID has taken off the country and the club.
What? Never in my time. Who dare invade my favorite club and country? Why didn't they call me? Banasura, get my army.
Mahabali, please listen. This is some invisible enemy, some virus. The whole scenario has changed. Nobody goes out. Everyone sits at home. All are wearing masks, eating homemade food. Now anyone can act as president, secretary, etc. because all are wearing masks. In Mahabali, now you will not be able to make out all your beautiful dancers, at least from the face. Who is Raji, Jwala, Shrija, Richa, Sujada, Priya, Alka? Nothing is the same and no one is even talking about your Onam celebrations. Because they say you cannot come anyway.
Shiva. What has happened? And I've never heard of it.
There is one more bad news. Anyone who travels has to go through 14 days quarantine. All in all, it is bad news.
Two years in Patalam, with only Minimi for entertainment. Not something he is looking forward to. And to think of all the good times and festivities over the years that he has enjoyed at Mid-City.
one should get angry or annoyed. Santana Krishna steering his ship wanted to cling on to presidentship. Santana Krishna steering his ship wanted to cling on to presidentship. But adjust pannal tollai solli Deepak avane kutti kolli. Adjust pannal tollai solli Deepak avane kutti kolli. Santana jaya jaya presidentship jaya jaya. Santana jaya jaya presidentship jaya jaya.
പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളിയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവയലിൽ
Om Hreem, Om Hreem. Connect to Mahabali, connect to Mahabali.
Om Kreem, Divya Drishti, connect to Minimi, connect to Minimi.
Mahabali, can you see me?
Yes, now what? Don't tell me now Balaji is no longer the treasurer of the club.
Mahabali, there is a solution. It seems there is something called e-pass for anyone who wants to travel and visit. We can try that, I was told.
Really? Then what is the problem? Let's get the e-pass. I will come down to Chennai and mid-city.
No, Mahabali, it's a very, very long form. We have to fill it up. I'm not sure how many of the criteria you will fulfill. Anyway, we can try. It's online. As we fill in, we will know whether you are eligible.
You don't have any confidence? Do you know who I am? I am the most sought after person on earth. Who will refuse my application? Go on, ask me. Let's do this quickly.
Full name?
Mahabali Patalam.
Residence?
Underworld Apartments, 100 Hills Road, Patalam.
Father's name?
Virochana.
Mother's name?
Devamba.
Grandfather?
Prahalada.
Age?
60,000 years.
Mahabali.
Okay, make it 60.
Wife's name?
Vindhyavalli,
Weight?
165 kilos.
Sir, this is too much. Please say something lesser.
65 kilos?
Personal vehicle?
I'll be flying in.
Any vehicle number?
No,
Health condition? Any diabetes?
yes, diabetes. Because of all these sweets.
Blood pressure?
Only when the ladies of Mid City excite me.
Purpose of visit?
For fun, as allowed by Lord Vishnu, to see the beautiful ladies in Mid City.
Aadhaar number?
What is that?
Your application has been rejected as your purpose of visit is very dubious. You are a high risk category person, too old, diabetic, overweight, and with no proper identification or travel documents.
Mahabali. Mahabali. There is another way, Mahabali. You can see everyone and participate, but only online. There is something called Zoom.
This sounds all gloom and doom to me.
No. The new president, Nandita Pandey, she is very helpful. She said she'll set it up. She wants you to appear before the club. After all, this is always one of their big events. But you can only see all the beautiful ladies of Mid City. You can't dance with them like earlier years.
Something is better than nothing.
Welcome Lord Mahabali to Rotary Club of Chennai Mid City. It is a pleasure and an honor to welcome you here. Unlike last year where we welcomed you with so much of energy, fervor and physically meeting, this time we are meeting on Zoom. But that does not dampen our spirits to welcome you with a lot of happiness, energy. So please, I request you to bless all of us with a lot of abundance of health, wealth and happiness. And my personal request is ensure that COVID goes away so that Mid-Citians can meet each other, and your blessings are required for that. Thank you so much for coming to Mid-City.
Mahabali, wake up. Your speech.
Hello, this is your favorite king, Mahabali. Good evening to all of you. Thank you for gathering on Zoom. Minimi told me that this is the new way to meet people. Although I'm sad I'm not able to be with you physically, with all you people, I'm glad to be here, be a participant to your Onam celebrations, and wishing all of you the very best in the future. Hoping to see all of you next year without mask and in person. I would like to thank Nandita Pandey for arranging this Zoom session, and of course Minimi for setting this entire thing. Thank you.
But Mahabali knows his fans of Mid City can be locked down, but definitely not locked in. They have something special for him.
മധുമൊഴി കൈത